What's going on, guys? Conforti Brothers here, and we got a special video for you guys today. We're at
Nick.
We're at the 2019 Pittsburgh Vintage Grand Prix and Races.
There's a lot of cars here, a couple thousand, actually more than that.
There's gonna be a few thousand cars here. They're estimated over 100,000 people today, so they got everything: Ferraris, Lamborghinis, McLarens, lots of Mercedes. That might be a separate video, so you'll find out about that. But we're gonna go through the show. Probably gonna be a lot of B-roll or just us talking. But
we're gonna start off with like the exotic section. I think it's Ferrari or Philadelphia or something.
Yeah, they got a lot of stuff, and these are more like people bring their own cars, and obviously there's gonna be a lot of vintage races, so we'll get that in the video too. But we'll try to get you guys a little bit of everything, you know, something different instead of the boring garage video. Yeah, so we'll go ahead and let's get the video started.
All right, guys, so now we're gonna go check out these exotics, and this is literally the worst part right here. You gotta walk up this steep hill. It's gonna be like 100 degrees today, so I'm not looking forward to that at all. The interior. Oh gosh. Oh, it's beautiful. Man, what do you think, Nick? You like it?
Love the 599.
Solve all Mercedes and buy one?
I don't know about that.
Oh, that's nice. I like the F12 better though. There's a little bit of everything over here. What's this, the 456?
456, yeah. Got that rear seat.
Yeah, it's kind of cool.
They can be done up well. V12 manual.
So this one's in mint condition. Oh yeah.
Gated shift action.
Oh yeah, we got the 458 Spider. It's a different spec. You don't really see that often. It's like a brown interior or a mocha.
430, that's beautiful.
430. We'll show the new ones there in a second. This is one of our favorites right here. 360 Spider.
There's a special part about it.
Yeah, this one's extra special though. I'll show you here in a second why.
Got that gated manual
right there.
Daytona racing seats.
Oh yeah, it's an awesome spec.
Well, not the racing seats, but they're just called the Daytona seats.
Mint condition. This one's beautiful.
Show them this beauty mat.
Oh yeah.
72 Daytona Spider.
That's a gem right there. Classic. It's all about the good angles, Nick. They're good angles.
They need to follow what, Conforti photography so they get all the good.
Yeah, follow Conforti photography to see all of our other non-Mercedes stuff. Got the F12 over here. This is the brand new Ferrari Portofino. Oh, this thing's gorgeous. Love it in white.
Good morning.
How about the angles, Nick?
How about the angles? You get that Steeler action in there?
Nope.
Oh yeah, it is Steeler action.
Yeah. The Raiders.
Adam says you live without it.
I don't know if
he's the Raiders guy. Let's check us out though. Like the black roof. Some terrible towel action going on in there. Some Lambos, got a Performante Spider over here.
I smell cigars, it smells good.
All right, now we're over here at the Pittsburgh Cars and Coffee section. There's Nick running away, trying to get some pictures.
Oh, really?
If you guys haven't seen our old videos of Cars and Coffee, check them out, because there's a lot of cool stuff on there. Porsche, oh man.
Show them Autovlogs.
That's an awesome spec.
Autovlogs F12.
Yeah, there's Autovlogs F12 over there, if you guys don't know who he is. Well, you probably already know because he's really famous, but what do we got over here, Nick? Got a lot of gems.
599.
Another 599. Oh my gosh, I love this car. It's like the dream spec too. Nick with the angles.
Gotta get the angles.
Gotta get the angles.
We gotta show them that one.
Yeah, the Balboni Lamborghini over there. Got some cool stuff. 570 Spider over here. It's kind of a cool spec, not too flashy. All right, Nick, tell them about this.
The Balboni edition, Gallardo LP 550.
Let's go check it out.
-2. Go and show a little about it. This is actually Valentino's original car. This one he owned.
Yeah, if you guys don't know who he is, that's a shame.
Yeah, we met him actually.
Yeah, we got a picture with him.
We gotta throw that picture up right here.
You can see it's manual. This thing is
There's only
worth
two
so
in
much
this
money.
spec. He has the other one, Valentino.
Yeah, there's only 2 of these.
This was his. They sold it. He got another one. He has the matching twin of this. So there's only 2. Like
yeah,
this.
and where's it at? In Italy, right?
And I think you look at the lights, but I think there's only 11 of these in manual.
Yeah.
2 in this spec.
Yeah, so it's a super rare car.
This car is a Pittsburgh car.
Yeah. And we got some GTR action over here. 600 LT over here. Is this our first time seeing one of these, Nick?
Yeah, this is beautiful. I'm not gonna lie, this is my favorite supercar. Wow, that's beautiful.
Is that factory display and everything?
Oh yeah, this is all factory.
No kidding. Damn. That is sweet.
What do you guys think about the LT?
Let's check it out. I've always liked the 570S. It's been one of my favorites from McLaren, but wow, this one might have stole it, Nick.
This is brand new LT. This I like.
That is awesome. Got a 720S rolling in now. Got Doc M3's Avenger over here. Check out this spec. Another Huracan, the Voice Diner kit. McLaren P1. That's a super clean Supra. What do you think about the Supra, Nick?
Clean.
That is clean. Another 488 Spider over there.
We got another jumbo over here. We got 911 exclusive series Turbo S.
Wow. Oh, it's here?
Yeah.
Where at?
Right over here on the end.
GT3 Touring. This is 911R, Nick. Oh, this is an awesome car. There's a Turbo S exclusive series. Oh, carbon fiber wheels, no way.
Look at that.
Oh, those are awesome. I'd be afraid to drive. I don't want to ruin those.
Those are expensive.
Check out the interior on this. Oh wow, look at the floor. You see the floor mats in this, Nick?
Yeah, this thing's beautiful.
Another Performante over here.
It's about what? So when mom and dad got married.
Alright, we're gonna go over to Adam's favorite section over here. Here's the Corvette section. Which one you like, Adam? Pick one.
Want me to pick one?
Yeah.
I gotta walk around first.
I need to find it. I need to find a C7 because this is my favorite. Which
one over there is beautiful.
Nice. This is my favorite spec right here, white with red. I don't know what it is, but cars with white and the red interior, always my favorite, especially on Ferrari. Oh, you can't see nothing in there, but it's red. Found the gem over here. Buick Grand National GNX.
Oh my gosh.
This thing is worth so much money. What an awesome car. I love these things so much.
Probably don't own a Buick that's worth 100,000.
Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah.
You take that, I'll take that.
Found me. Dude. Oh, what a crazy build. That thing is clean. I don't really mind it. I love the color. The color is what makes it for me. Oh, this thing is sick.
Look at the interior.
Wow. I like the black trim around the windows instead of chrome.
Ready to roll?
This is what we've been dying to see over here. They got the new Shelby GT500.
I forgot to ask, are they gonna have an RTR here?
Well, I guess we'll find out, right?
Yeah, I saw one in Detroit. Man, you gotta see one in person.
Oh, I bet it's awesome. Got a 350 over here. Oh, there it is.
Hey, just like the 911 exclusive. Look at those carbon fiber
Oh yeah,
wheels.
look at the wheels, carbon fiber. Oh my gosh.
We get some pics right here.
All right, folks. Nice. Congratulations.
Wow, this thing is unbelievable.
The only problem, it needs drilled or slotted brakes. It's got solid.
Doesn't?
Yeah.
Oh, those wheels are crazy.
The back though does have a big caliper. Rotor mean, yeah.
All right, so this is actually the test mule for the GT500. How cool is this? Here's a gem right here. GT 500. What is it? 68 probably? 67.
Last one made.
The last one? Got the Bullet Mustangs over here. And the original. What a gem.
It's a great car. Appreciate your time.
That's a clean NSX with HRU wheels on it. Oh, that's clean. I like it. Check out the interior. Got a couple over there too. Oh yeah, that's nice. Just finished having lunch over here at the Bobby Rahal tent.
That's literally the best thing about the show.
Yeah.
If you buy a car from Bobby Rahal,
they hook you up with lunch.
You get a good lunch. Hamburger, hot dog, best burgers ever.
Oh yeah, they're good.
Cookies.
So shout out to them for the free lunch.
Yeah.
All right, now we're heading over to the Mercedes section. It looks like there's a massive turnout this year. See the CC3 and it got clean. That's sweet. Got an SL 190. What is this?
There's a CL65 right there.
Oh yeah. 190. This is clean. Did you see this? Nice. Here's another gem, CL65. Got a lot of wear on the front.
I love it too, front end.
Super mint condition CLK 55 for sale. 04. This car is very clean. Show the interior over here. Got a new C63 over here.
That's beautiful.
Super clean. Some more old gems. There's a lot of other ones up on the hill. I didn't even see them. Some 211 action.
Is it 500?
Some 220. That's 220, right, Nick? That's class. Yeah. Some C63 action over there. Got a super clean anniversary edition SL 129 over there. It's a nice SLK 55. Lots of men inside. Jeez, this gotta be really low miles.
It's kind of neat. Those wheels gotta go.
Yeah.
Wheels are bad, but
That's all original though. I will switch those out with some mono blocks. These anniversary cars got a unique wood trim in there, but unfortunately you cannot see it right now. Hey, it's pretty clean. Another CL65.
this is super rare. I gotta get pictures of this.
300 CE coupe over here.
Oh, some G-Wagons next to us, guys. Matt.
More G-Wagons?
Couple next to our car.
Looks to be some pretty good condition. Oh, factory phone option, that's rare. And got another rare gem over here, ML55. It's definitely a car you don't see often. What up, Adam? Got a whole line of SLs over here. R230 SL65. This car is a beast. That's clean. Some more cool SLCs. This is a really cool build on this one. Nick, is that an E55 over there?
Yeah, that's our E55, Matt.
It's a clean E55, Nick.
It looks like it's got a delivery mount on it. Nice E6D right there. 212 refresh.
The gem.
Nick, we detailed the car up for the Grand Prix yesterday, so it's nice and clean now.
See how it looks. Oh yeah, nice and clean, nice and clean.
It's about as clean as it's gonna get. It'll be dirty tonight.
Nick, angles. Getting this one next.
This is the pinnacle of AMG right here.
Eventually we'll have one of these someday.
So all three, we got this little video going on?
Yeah.
All three are the same owner.
Yeah, the same guy owns all three of these. I guys taking it easy.
Oh, somebody's coming up so good.
Look at the camber on his wheels, look.
Oh my god. Look at that Jag.
That yellow one, oh my god. Alright, now we're heading over to the BMW section.
That is a beautiful E39 M5. My gosh.
You never see these in red. This thing's gorgeous.
His wheels will fit it amazing. That's just, damn, oh my gosh, look at the exhaust up there.
Must be dining tuned, Nick. Man, is that clean. And we got another one, and another one, and a couple more down there. Got a clean silver one coming. This is probably my favorite BMW all time right here. Love these E92 M3s. This car's gorgeous. This sounds incredible.
This guy should at least clean his engine bay if he's gonna rock the engine. Look at that.
Yeah, it's dirty. Looks like it's bone stock. He's probably letting heat out, maybe. That is a gem. Look how clean this thing is.
You guys gotta follow my Instagram because this is Avis Blue E39 M5. It was up there, but
211 E63. Let's see if this is a 560. Yep, 560 SEC.
what is it again?
Oh, it's very clean. The miles are on at 69,000. That's low. Jeez.
This one looks
Look at the
like
wheels, a little bit of dish. How cool. Got a 210 E55, but this is a 99 pre-facelift era.
Look at this monoblocks.
Not in the best condition, but hey.
Yeah, it's an E55.
Nice. I'd love to have one of these. AMG GTR. Oh no, is that what I think it is on the fender?
Oh, that's overspray. Oh my god.
That's all sling from tire dressing. What a gem though. So sweet.
That's a rare one right there.
Yeah, it is very rare.
This only goes to the Porsche Club of America clients.
I'm pretty sure these are like limited too, aren't they? Like
Yeah, I forget the number. I might have to look it up.
Yes, I know they didn't make a lot, but those are definitely rare.
I love these rims. When this car came out, they were saying get a Porsche. Right here, that's a no-no. No.
It's a rare one, isn't it, Nick?
Can't do that.
E350 AMG.
Because they go between 10 and really, really shitty shape.